That's slip now.
Now don't worry about the slip.
No, I don't know.
Today we're going to change LCD on j320. For that, if there is only LCD problem, you don't need to open the phone from nowhere. Just remove this LCD clip
Oh, okay.
and LCD goes out. Now we're going to heat it. Heat it up to 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna pause here. And because the LCD is broken, so we are not worried about that if it is gonna come out in a single piece or two piece. You can use anything from plastic to the steel pudges. Being stupid about a white one. I thought it's a white color phone because I mixed it up with this one, but it doesn't look bad.
The cell phones is nothing inside.
Once it is removed, it will look like that. This is the fastest way that you can change the LCD on j320. Don't need to open any screw. It's gone. Where is the LCD now? This is the new LCD. First we're going to test it before we remove any plastic. Connect it.
Hello?
Do you have the battery for me, please?
Yes, I'll do my battery.
Once it is connected there onto the connector, switch it on to test it before you. As you can see, it's working. It should be working more than that as well. Let me pause here and remove the plastics, and then I'll stick it together. Now that you can see that I've removed everything, this is the original LCD, so it has all those sticky double-sided tape stuff. You don't have to struggle with any glue or anything. If you use it A grade or Chinese one, you have to use the glue, but with the original one you don't need to use nothing. You can just stick it like this.
It has that
Just
plastic
press a
thing
little bit.
on it.
It's the original one. It comes with those all
Those sticky things.
sticky things.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and we are done. This you can put it back. That's hopefully will help you to repair your j320 LCD problem, and this is the quickest way. It's working. Thank you very much for watching. If it is helpful, please do subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.